Hello and welcome to my video. In this video, my best friend made me a beautiful presentational salad for lunch today. And I want to show you the beautiful salad with some bread, some avocado spread on the bread with some crumbled cheese on top of the bread. And then you've got the salad with cottage cheese on top and mustard greens in the bowl, sprinkled with broccoli and tomatoes and steamed carrots with a glass of Merlot, glass of water, and a candle to set the mood to enjoy a beautiful, healthy lunch. Let's go in and take a look at that salad. Very pretty. Beautiful presentation. He always likes to make his food presentational about 90% of the time. It's just an art form that he can do very easily, and has been doing it for years, so it comes easy to him. And of course, and it's healthy. Look at the avocado on the bread, fresh bread, artesian bread, crumbled cheese and cottage cheese on mustard greens with tomatoes and broccoli, and a wonderful glass of Merlot and steamed broccoli steamed carrots with pepper on top. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video made you hungry for a healthy salad.